Here we have a 2018 Range Rover SDV8 Autobiography. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website, but they include the 22-inch alloy wheels, we have the red brake calipers just behind, the grey exterior paintwork, we have the LED headlights, Range Rover badging on the bonnet. There's a look at the front end. And then coming around to the passenger side, you find we have air suspension so the vehicle can raise or lower. It's currently set on its lowest setting. Colour-coded door handles, the black door mirrors with the blind spot assist. We do also have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the panoramic glass sunroof that's currently open. It can also get put onto a tote, shark fin antennae and also the rear spoiler. We also have the 360 cameras with front and rear parking sensors. We have the dual legs exhaust at the back, along with the power operated tailgate, which if we press the button just here on the remote, then you'll find it will open just like so. Inside of here you find we have plenty of space. We do have the partial shelf just up there. We have a 12-volt connectivity on the left hand side. We also have some buttons just on the right. For the air suspension we have the electric tow bar. We also have the buttons for the seats so they can fold up or down. Really nice carpet inside of here. We also have a button, press this button and then it will fold the bottom half up. Same with the top, press that button and then it will close the rest. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So taking a look at the interior, coming into the back first you find the full leather interior. We have the electrically foldable armrests in the centre, fixed ISO points. We also have the headrests which are adjustable just like so, really nice and soft headrests. Both of the seats at the back are also electrically adjustable with the memory functions, as you can see on the doors. We also have the climate control for the rear passengers. Both of the outer seats as well are heated or cooled. We have the electric windows, we have the premium Meridian sound system as well. Ambient lighting. Again at the front we have the same leather interior with the same soft adjustable headrests. Both the front seats are heated and again cooled, electrically adjustable with the memory functions. They also have the massage function as well. Again the premium Meridian sound system. We have the electrically adjustable multifunctional steering wheel which is heated. Taking the seat inside you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press your start button and the vehicle will start up for us. You can see we do have the automatic lights just on that stalk and the automatic wipers on that one. We have the adaptive cruise control on the right hand side, the lane keeping assist, and also we have the heated steering wheel button. As you can see on the digital dash we are free from any warning lights, other than letting us know about the fuel level. We can change the dash using this side of the steering wheel, so press onto menu. You see we have plenty of features on here and different display layouts. If we go on there for example, we can change it from 2 dial to a 1 dial, full map. We also have the media and the driver assist as well. We've got the main infotainment screen just here in the centre. I'm just going to close the roof by pressing this button as it started to rain. So we do have the main infotainment screens in the centre. If they are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We do have the sat-nav navigation just here. We do also have plenty of features as well, so if we click onto the phone, you can see we have the phone connectivity just there. We also have a range of media, such as the radio stations. Go onto the source, then you'll find we have the media library as well. Go back onto the main menu, scroll across, you can see even further options just here, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Scroll across again, you find we have the ambient lighting just there, we have the vehicle dimensions, the electric tow bar, we also have the Bluetooth and the 4x4 information as well just here. You would have seen all the features on the photos, but quickly going through them, if we go onto the off-road information just here, then it will display lots of different bits of information as you can see. The second screen you'll find we have the drive modes just here, which can be controlled using this dial just here, or it is also touchscreen, but let's just keep it into auto for the moment. We also have the air suspension, so you can see it's currently on the lowest setting. Press this button and then it will rise. You can see it has the normal height. Press it again and it will go to the off-road just like so. Back onto this screen though, we do have the seats, so if we click onto the seats you can see we have the front and rear. They can be cooled or they can be heated. They also have the massage function as well. If we just turn that on, you can see we can have a combination, or we can have one of these individual ones just here. We can also adjust the rear seats from the front as well, so we can turn the heated or the cooled seats on at the rear from this screen. We also have the climate control as well, with the ice-cold air conditioning just there. Further down you find we have the drive select dial just here, so put it into reverse, you find the reversing camera appear on the screen. Press onto 360, you can see we have the 360 view. Click onto the camera and then we can go through each individual one. So there's the front camera, and these are the sides, and then also at the back to the rear as well just there. Put it back into park low. We also have the cup holders just inside of here. We have a nice little leather armrest in the centre, along with separate ones for both the front seats. We also have some storage inside of the armrest, and we have the fridge as well inside of there. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Range Rover SDV8 Autobiography. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle it drives as you expect it to. As you can see, you don't have to fight the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the steering wheel, which is electrically adjustable. It's also heated and multifunctional. We have the paddle shifters either side if you want to set the car into manual mode. Digital dashboard in front of us, which can show different displays and bits of information. We also have the adaptive cruise control, controlled using the steering wheel. If you do listen carefully as well throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We have the premium Meridian sound system. We also have the full leather interior, very comfortable, could easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also electrically adjustable with the memory functions, and so are the rear. Front seats have the massage function, and they're also both heated or cooled. Both the outer seats at the rear are also heated or cooled, again adding to that luxury feel for this vehicle. We have plenty of features in this vehicle, including the panoramic glass sunroof. We also have the suede headliner as well, running all throughout here, really nice. We have the blind spot assist on the mirrors. We do also have the 2 main infotainment screens in the centre. One's currently showing the sat nav, the other the climate control, again full of features that you've seen on the photos. We have all the different drive modes with the air suspension, and we do also have the armrest in the centre, which has a fridge inside of there as well. Now about to take a right hand turn in a moment, so put our right indicator on, wait for the traffic to pass and slow down. And then we make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, and when I put the car into reverse, then you'll find that we have the reversing camera appear on the screen. Put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.